My name's Devin. This segment today, I'm going to show you how to microwave garlic. First, you grab the garlic. Then you get a microwave. Open that shit. Place that shit. Close that shit. Then you press buttons. I chose 10 seconds because I like the number 10. Then you press start. Now you wait. Ta-da!